Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your status on the Messenger application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then click on Active Status, which is the second option. As you can see here, you can show when you are active. So now this function is turned on, meaning that your friends and connections can see that you are active or recently active on your profile. You can see this information about them too. To change this setting, turn it off wherever you are using Messenger or Facebook, and your active status will no longer be shown. So if you want to turn it off, just simply click on this button and then press the button turn off. So now your friends won't see your availability on this application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.